Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Oh boy.
Elon Musk has $100 billion in unrealized capital gains. When he dies, that money, those assets, that is inherited by his family, okay, by his children, whatever, right? So what happens is that this thing called step-up basis. So now
intentions are high, motives are questions. Intentions have been high in our country as it pertains to politics. So people question my motives. I understand that. But for the people that love me, it hurts. It really does.
X to block certain accounts that are spreading quote-unquote misinformation. Elon and X denied the request. Then, de Moraes threatened to arrest X representatives in Brazil, and in response to that, X pulled the representatives out of Brazil, obviously, to protect them. And now, X, having no representatives in Brazil, apparently violates the law. Based on this, de Moraes banned
Current loop
X
video is now
Brazil.
locked.
Once again, it's an authoritarian figure seeking censorship power over the channels of communication.
Excuse me?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.